we're gonna cut him live. This one is
Okay.
just a little tired.
Glad you're doing this.
Yeah, we're gonna bleed him first. This is another sort of
I'm gonna get over here and take a
humane way of dealing with it. Right behind the eyes.
look.
I'll jab him like that. And you've got right over your can, right this.
Oh!
Blue blood. Let him drain out.
I've never seen this. This is a French technique, huh?
It is.
Okay. Well, you're French, right? So
I am.
you know exactly what you're doing. I trust you.
There you go. Better remove the claws on this guy. They cook a little faster. You can leave the claws on, but I think this is easier for this technique. You go from the, there's like a mark right in the center of their thorax. There you go. So in the restaurant, we have to do this in the order, so you can imagine.
It takes time to prepare then.
It does. So right in here, the stomach is right here.
Okay.
This is what you want to remove.
Where's the tamale?
The tamale is the green part, the khaki part right now, and it
Okay.
turns this sort of bright green after you cook it. This isn't a raw state, obviously. So this is tamale, it's delicious. We're gonna take it out. Scrape it off. Put it in this bowl right here. Turn that into a custard.
Wow.
Add an egg yolk. A bit of salt. A bit of pepper.
Need a whisk?
I use my fingers for everything. It's the best tool. This is a quick recipe. I want to put this tamale right back into the crevices here.
Now he looks a little bit brighter with the egg yolk.
Yeah. I have some olive oil. The pan's been heating up